Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a password from an Excel file step by step. If your Excel file asks for a password every time you open it and you want to remove that password, don't worry. This method is very simple and beginner-friendly. Let's start. First, open your Excel file. Now, enter the password and open the file normally. Once the file is open, click on File in the top left corner. Now, click on Info. Here, look for an option called Protect Workbook. Click on Protect Workbook. If your file has a password, you will see an option that says Encrypt with Password. Click on Encrypt with Password. A small window will open showing the password box. Now, delete everything inside that password box. Make sure the box is completely empty. Now, click OK. That's it. The password has been removed. Now, close the Excel file. When Excel asks you to save changes, click Save. Now, open the same Excel file again, and you will notice that it opens directly without asking for any password. If your Excel file is protected in a different way, here's another quick thing to check. Open the Excel file again. Go to the Review tab at the top. If you see options like Unprotect Sheet or Unprotect Workbook, click on them. Enter the password once, and the protection will be removed. After that, save the file again. And that's it. This is how you remove a password from an Excel file easily, even if you are a complete beginner. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Excel and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.